Hi everybody, today I am going to do a video on Nuvo drops. Somebody wanted a video on it, so I'm going to just demonstrate a couple of kinds here. And I'm going to show the difference between that and Stickles. So, Nuvo drops usually come in a bottle like this or like this. This is the Nuvo Crystal Drops. This is the Nuvo Dream Drops. They all do the same thing. I actually put a little drop on there to show the color. That is an iridescent pink. It's called Fairy Wings. This one, all the tops come with this little gem on it. And you can just put a little dot on there and dry it if you want. Let it dry if you want to see what the thing looks like. You know, I'm not going to do that to them anymore. I had so many. I had the Nuvo Crystal Drops, which were transparent. So I had all the colors under the sun. I gave them away because I didn't really use them. Now, if you're thinking of what colors to get, that's up to you. Maybe a clear would be nice for like raindrops and things like that. But for me, I didn't need all those translucent drops. I just didn't. I never used them. They never came in handy. So now I just use the glitter ones or these with the iridescent in it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the difference. Now, everyone knows I love my stickles, but they are not dimensional. So, if I put a big old dot right here and I make like, let's say I make a dot like that. It's not going to dry like that. It's going to shrink down. And what I really should have did was I should have did this a day before and then showed you. But that's how the dot looks like. And when it dries, it'll be a little bit above the page, but not really, okay? With the Nuvo drops, like I said, there's all different kinds, but they all basically do the same thing. Is you put it down, and it self-levels, so you don't have to worry about having a perfect circle. It will do it. Just put the stuff down, and then when it's to your desired size, you lift up. And that's it. It'll self-level itself. At first, it'll look like a little cone, and you'll say, what the hell? It doesn't look right. It levels itself. Don't worry about that. Just put it down and lift up. And then I'll show you this. This is the Ruby Slippers. I just bought this one. This would be perfect for Rudolph's nose when you do Christmas crafting. So again, I'll show you again. You just put the dot down. You keep going until you're, satisfied with the size, and you lift up. Now, I don't know if you notice, it's a little cone right there. Let me see. Let me show you. It's a little bit of a cone. I don't even know if you can tell. Sometimes people get it and then just drop the paper down like this. You know what I mean? But they will stay like that. They will stay off the page like that. Where this one, the Stickles, is going to just shrink down. So if you want a 3D effect on something like, let's say, Rudolph's nose, the Stickles will look great. But if you really want it to pop out, I would use, this is Ruby Slippers. You can use, I don't know, they make just a regular red. You could use that. I like sparkle though. That's why I got sparkle. And, that's just how it works. I'll do one more. I'll do one more of the Fairy Wings just to demonstrate. Straight down. And then when it's the size you want, let go and just come up. Because if you go down and go like this, it's gonna it's not gonna, it's gonna make like a teardrop, and then you're gonna be like, hey, you know. So that's the best advice I can give on how to make a perfect dome shape. And, you know, some of you are going to say, well, I can just get enamel dots. Yes, you can. You most certainly can use enamel dots. Nobody has to rush out and get Nuvo drops. It's just another, you know, yeah, just another embellishment kind of thing that you can use if you'd like. And that's really about it that I was going to do. Maybe in my next video, I'll take this out. Most of you watch me pretty regularly anyway, so if you saw this video, you might catch me in the next video and I'll show you how this one went way down and these stayed up. So, but really what I should have did was, I should have did that ahead of time, waited for it to dry, and then showed you the dry versions, and then show you how to do it too. But, you know, I thought of that too late. But anyway, some of you wanted to know what they were. That's what they are. You can get them on Amazon. Craft stores have them. Scrapbook.com might have them. If you have, you know, craft stores in your area, they'll probably have them. If some of you shop at Hobby Lobby, they won't have them. I don't think Michaels and stuff, I don't think they have them. I used to go to just like small business owned craft stores, always have them. I don't know if you have any in your area. I know in my area, they're all gone due to COVID, but that's the kind of place that you would find them, or online. I don't really think you're going to find them at Michael's or Joann or Hobby Lobby. I don't know. I don't think they sell them. No. Who's it by again? Let's see. Tonic Studios. Yeah, Tonic Studios. So they have a website too, Tonic Studios, that you could probably go on and see what they have. Might be a little bit more money. I don't know. I forget what I paid. They were a little pricey. They were right around, well, this one was around $9. I had to get it because I needed the ruby slippers. I needed it. And I forget how much. This was probably about $7 or $8. But then again, they last you a very, very long time. You know, I mean, you know, I'll even show you, I'll show you something else real quick. Misty from Mystical Misty 1 and 2 did a live, and I was part of that live, and this is what I did. Oh, it's a mess. It is a mess. I think Leslie from Silver Moon Creations called it candy. It was like a Candyland thing. But this is all the Nuvo drops, all over here. Not these blue ones, but all this. And as you can see, I've done that a couple weeks ago or more. And this journal has been flat with this on it. And they still stayed up, see? See the dimension you get? They're not going anywhere. As long as you let them dry properly, that's how it's going to look when it's dry. And that's about it. If anybody wants to see any other videos on any other products, I might have them. Let me know. I'm very bad with doing videos like that because I always feel like everybody knows. Everybody knows. Not everybody knows. Like I have a Misty. Everybody wanted to know like what it looked like and things about it. So I did a video on it. So a lot of times I just think no one's going to care about it or they know. But you might really want to be interested in something. So if there's anything you want to know about, let me know. And if I have the product, I'll do a video for you. That way you can see if you want it or not. All right? And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.